people keep meeting me for the first time. I go by the name of Msibano, so the comedy son of comedy. It's your talkative online Zaddy, and I'm here with Queen Net, Queen of the
host.
Which host? Okay, and we're here live on Entertainment Crib. So we get matter, we say we carry, now there we carry matter, we inside matter, we take outside inside matter for your community, environment, area, local government, state, meeting. Country, anywhere. And we carry. So which meeting? So ladies and gentlemen, but we can come now about Kabiyesi Oba Saheed Elegushi of the Catalan. Margarita, no be greater.
There is a way they used to do it.
Kadu Olori,
like that one.
Kashi Opele no kon kese.
Na lie.
Anyway, one greater man.
They carry talking drum. Dun.
Carry talking drum come outside more greater. So the Kabiyesi Oba Saheed Elegushi of the Catalan.
His Royal Majesty.
Your Royal Majesty, sir. So the man matter we carry come, you know, so you get some time we say like years ago, maybe say his first wife, Sekinat Elegushi, and the first wife is that we say you don't born 3 girls. Beautiful girls for side. So we carry some level. The king come and say, okay, me no be like say, as a royal family, you don't need to get one wife. So you need to explore.
Apart from that, you need heir to the throne now.
So you need to explore. So you just go to north. And so you go north, go carry Adiza Elegushi. Now that one born the Arole born boy for him. But about 2-3 months ago, they lost the baby.
Oh, sadly.
2-3 months ago. So sorry, accept our condolence. We're sorry for that. And now the king don't explore more again. You don't go out say because say okay. You don't marry Yoruba, marry Hausa, so you can still give me go Edo. So now princess in Edo. Now don't even get belle now. So, let's say they belle. So now we are waiting for the date of the wedding. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to make you for our YouTube channel. You're going to be watching the wedding live and direct. Take it like that. So what do you have to say, Queenette, about this? Because some people they talk say why a whole Yoruba king go outside, go marry other tribe.
No, say, I don't look at them as anything bad, because they are Edo people and Yoruba people. In time past, them be one.
Yes.
So and the king then know what in they look for. You wear your shoe, now you go know what's pitch your leg before you know how other people they say they enjoy them. He knows what he's looking for. We know go fit or say. No, make you no marry. The person don't get belly already now.
Don't get belly already.
And so what you want?
And me, I be the thing say, I can marry anybody. So far, saying that the same blood they run. No be alien she be. We are human being. Either you are Hausa,
Yoruba, some people their culture no rhyme with yours. So
forget about culture. Forget.
You know they get some culture. We say wait, if you go like now with this girl, the lady, the princess don't get belly. Get some culture. We say God forbid. I just they talk I'm out of. You don't say you say if you marry anybody,
any tribe.
So any tribe. I just they look at say get some culture. We say you marry the girl. God forbid. You not do wedding. Just give am belly like they take give this one belly. God forbid. The girl called die.
Okay.
You know say your gas pay do the wedding after the girl does.
So I hear about that tribe.
You do the wedding
with the
girl again with the dead body. So you that kind of thing, God forbid. But if a person come from that place, what do you go think? The text is so they do for our place, so you go still carry head put.
As I talk, I said I can marry in any tribe. But you said when you say you won't marry for tribe or any place, you go don't pay bride. You go do like the way it's supposed to be. Normal. Like,
so now you don't tell the HRM, His Royal Majesty,
sure,
you don't give her belle. It's supposed to do the wedding first before the belle.
She don't get belle. But wait, so now they don't plan wedding.
No, but you the indirectly tell her say if you not give her belle first, you for plan wedding. I know they talk say me. I say I been married for any. Even if you get one pikin with for me or me, you don't get belle. I go know as you don't get belle. Now say ma do the right things or you move in. Okay. Now you don't make sense.
Now say when you do the right thing, you don't get belle, you don't get belle.
Say the Israel Majesty, people from this part
of the right thing.
People from this part of Nigeria, they do wedding like that too.
No.
Yoruba people, sorry to say, don't carry one person give am belle film. Yawo me.
Wait.
Before you natural.
No talk about Yoruba. This thing is vice versa.
Most people na Yoruba they do like that.
It dey in every tribe. It dey in every tribe.
But easy, just if you are looking for husband wife, just come Lagos.
It just be like say people go talk say Yoruba. People go talk say na Yoruba dey marry plenty wife pass. I will be na true now. Okay, what do you talk about this about the Hausas?
Hausa too dey marry, but
Hausa dey marry plenty wife more than Yoruba. So in this thing na vice versa. Everybody dey say Yoruba wicked. Yoruba wey wicked dey, Yoruba wey good dey. Hausa wey wicked dey, Hausa wey good dey. Igbo wey good dey, the one wey bad dey. So this thing na every tribe. As they get person wey be say e reach for Hausa land, we get person wey reach for Yoruba land. Okay. We get person wey reach for Igbo land. We get person wey poor for Hausa land. We get so na so the thing. No be say this one. Na the way God create us like this. You are human being. Blood dey your body. So na your heart determine maybe you are good or not. So no dey talk say Yoruba heart is good. Hausa heart.
I no talk say.
No, I'm just trying to say something. So to Saheed Elegushi, Oba Saheed Elegushi, sorry to say, Your Excellency, sir, we are waiting for the date. We can't wait. We are looking forward. And we're not going to miss that day. So even the woman will be attending me anywhere where I see food. Oh boy, so far I say why she? I'll sit down. I don't want to know. So congratulations to you in advance and happy married life in advance. So we go to wait for the day.
Hey, but no finish. No divorce this one again. No. I beg, make it be the first.
I get link to the palace, so I will give you address. You tell her live. Now that one you sweet pass. So ladies and gentlemen, on this one we go to give you feedback. I'm just tell me for no cost. Stay tuned. We are still here live on